Best vegetables to grow indoors under lights. 1. Spinach. Spinach is very easy to grow indoors under lights. Spinach is one of the fastest growing leafy green vegetables. Because you are growing indoors, you will need a pot, a light source, LED grow light. Sow the seeds in a pot, or you can use plastic bottles. Do not use the topsoil from your home or garden. For pots, potting mix is necessary. 2. Lettuce. Lettuce is another easy growing leafy green. Like spinach, lettuce can also grow in pots or plastic bottles. Sow the seeds of lettuce in potting mix. Or you can start growing lettuce from the bottom part of store-bought lettuce. Put the bottom part in water. When you see small roots, plant that in your pot. 3. Tomatoes. There are so many varieties of tomatoes you can grow indoors. They are called dwarf tomatoes. Here are some varieties you can grow. Muhammad, Yellow Dwarf, Ondran, Orange Hat, Vilma, Yellow Canary. These varieties are dwarf. They only grow 7 to 10 inches in height. You can grow them in grow bags or pots using potting mix. 4. Carrots. Growing carrots in a pot are very easy. You will need a pot about 1 foot deep and 1 foot wide. You can also use grow bags instead of pots. Use potting mix soil in a pot or grow bag. Remember, no matter how much your soil is good, you will need a good source of light, LED grow lights, to grow all these veggies. 5. Mushrooms. Growing mushrooms indoors is extremely easy and fast. Small mushrooms only take 2 to 3 days to grow. Even a plate-sized mushroom only takes 10 to 15 days to grow. You can grow mushrooms in pots, grow bags, or your laundry container. 6. Scallions. They are healthy as garlic. Growing them is very easy. You can also regrow store-bought scallions. Cut the end part of scallions about 2 to 3 inches. Put that in a glass of water. Change the water on a daily basis. In a few days, 8 to 10 roots become double in length and new roots will appear. It's time to plant them in a pot or grow bag. 7. Green beans. Green beans grow very tall, so you need a good source of light. They also grow very fast. Sow the seeds in a pot. Use some wood skewers to support the plants, as they grow very tall. 8. Kale. Kale and spinach are like cousins. They almost serve the same purposes in dishes. Both are very easy to grow. They don't require your attention on a daily basis. Grow kale directly from seeds, in pots or grow bags, or bigger plastic bottles. Don't let the soil dry and you are good to go. 9. Bell pepper. These bombs of vitamin C are extremely easy to grow indoors. Use pots, grow bags, or plastic bottles to grow them. When fruits of bell pepper are ready, harvest immediately. Because the more you harvest, the plant will produce more fruit. Check out 10 more veggies you can grow indoor at slickgarden.com. Link in the description box.